Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Finance Investment Tracker. To begin, simply access Google Finance through your existing Google account. Once there, you can easily create a new portfolio to start tracking your investments. Add your individual stocks or funds, making sure to input the purchase details like the number of shares you own and the price you paid. It's a straightforward process to get your financial overview set up. Once your portfolio is set up, monitoring your investments becomes simple. You can view real-time stock prices and other essential market data directly within the platform. Easily track your portfolio's performance, both daily and historically, to understand trends. The tracker helps you analyze the gains and losses for each of your holdings, giving you a clear picture of your investment health and overall portfolio value. Google Finance offers great customization options to tailor your experience. You can organize your investments into multiple distinct portfolios, which is perfect for different goals or strategies. Set up personalized alerts for specific price changes or important news, ensuring you never miss a beat. The platform also allows you to compare different stocks side by side and access relevant financial news and articles, keeping you well informed. To truly maximize your investment tracker, consider using watch lists for potential future investments you're researching. You can also export your investment data for more detailed analysis in other tools. Staying informed is easy with integrated, up-to-date news feeds, providing context for market movements. By leveraging all these features, you can make more informed financial decisions, helping you manage your investments effectively and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.